I have tried all the best image upscalers on the web, and I have found the one with the highest quality results that also offers unlimited free upscales. This amazing upscaler is called Pixelcut, and in this video, I will show you exactly how you can get the best results with its free version by using one simple trick. First, you need to go to Google and search for Pixelcut and click on the first search result. This is Pixelcut's interface. We need to come down here and click on Image Upscaler. And now we are in the Image Upscale dashboard. Up here, we have the two upscale options, the 2x upscale and the 4x upscale. The 2x upscale is completely free and you can use it as much as you want. The 4x upscale is only available to paid users. But don't worry, I will show you how you can use it for free. First, let me show you how to use the 2x upscale. We need to upload the image we want to upscale. In order to do that, we need to come down here where it says Upload Image and click. Now we need to select the image we want to upload and click on Open. And Pixelcut will automatically start upscaling our image. And boom! Our image is done upscaling. If I slide this bar here, you can see the image before the upscaling and after the upscaling. As you see, there is a pretty noticeable difference. Also down here you can see the dimensions of the image, which have doubled after the upscaling. But that is only the 2x upscale, and I promised you that I will show you how to upscale our image 4 times completely for free. So let's do it. First, we need to come up here and click on the download button, and we need to save our current upscaled image. I will save it as Model 2. And now we need to come up here to the left right corner and click on this arrow in order to reset the image upscaler. Now we simply come down here and upload the upscaled image we just downloaded. And by doing this, Pixelcut will upscale the already 2x upscaled image again 2 times, which is like we upscaled it 4 times just with one extra step. And boom, the image is upscaled. And if we slide the bar to the right, we can see the before, and to the left, the after. And if you come down here, you can see that the dimensions of the image did indeed double, which means that we managed to upscale it 4 times from our starting image, and we did it completely for free. Like the video, and comment something down below. And if you want to learn about another free way to upscale your images, click on this video right here.